like a safety pin kind of brush, but it's really fanciful. So I'm going to show you what I plan to use this for. I just fold my shirt the way I want it, how tight I want it, and then I pin it. So if you're unable to do it yourself, you can ask someone to do it for you, because it's, to be honest, is a bit difficult using this pin yourself, so you don't hurt yourself in the process. And mind you, be careful of the kind of materials you use this pin for, because some material might end up tearing or being torn in the process because of this. So ta-da! This is how it looks, but I'm not sure I actually like how the down is, so I'm just going to use this second pin for the down part of it. So I'm just going to hold this part, this down part. So this is how it's going to look at the back. It's going to look really nice, really good. Looks like a design actually. So this is how you will look. Please let me know in the comment section if you ever try this. Okay, that'll be all for now. Bye.